Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to be doing some decluttering and organizing around my house, and I started off here in my closet. I just wanted to go through my clothes, get rid of some stuff, and then I wanted to organize it all back in my closet just a little bit better. So when you're going through all of the clothes in your closet, don't take everything out of your closet and put it on the bed and the floor to go through, because you're just going to get way too overwhelmed. So what I like to do is I go through it by category. So I started off, as you can see, with all of my jean skirts, took them out of the closet, put them onto the bed. I'm going to go through all of them first, and then I'll organize them back into my closet, and then I'll take out shirts next, and then I'll do dresses, and then I'll do shoes, and just try to do it by category. That way you don't get too overwhelmed. And I didn't realize just how many jean skirts that I had until I started to go through them all. And I do not wear quite all of these, so I needed to get rid of some. So I made 3 different piles. One pile was skirts that I was going to keep, the second pile skirts that I'm going to sell, and then the third pile skirts that are a little bit too big that I need to pack away in storage. Someday we do want to have a third baby way in the future, so I know that I'm going to be wearing those skirts someday in the future, so I need to put them in storage. So the clothing that I decide to sell, I'm going to be posting for sale on the app called Mercaria. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I will spell it out for you. It's MERCARI, and they are sponsoring today's video, so thank you to them. And I will have the link for the app down in the description box, so you can go and shop the items that I will be selling. And here is a little bit closer look at the app. When you pull it up on the front page, it shows like items that have just been sold or items that have just been posted, and then it will show different name brand. It has like different name brand categories that you can search through, and then it shows what's trending right now. I wish that I would have had some of the items that were trending right now to sell, but I don't. And it looks like a really great app. This is my first time using it, so I'm excited to post some items on it and see if I can sell them. So once I had gone through all the skirts, decided what I was going to keep, what I was going to get rid of, what I was going to put in storage, then I put them all back on hangers and organized them back into my closet. And I like to organize my skirts in my closet by length, so they will start at the shortest and go down to the longest. After all of the jean skirts were put back into my closet, then I brought out all of my dressier skirts to go through, and I just did the same thing as before. I just went through them and I made a pile to sell, and I didn't have any that were too big, and the ones that were too big I just sold them because I don't wear them, so I just got rid of them. And a good rule of thumb to follow is ask yourself, how long has it been since you've worn this clothing item, or have you ever worn this clothing item? I have lots of clothes in my closet that I've never worn that are like too small, and I'm just telling myself, oh, someday when I get this skinny, because I do want to get this skinny someday, then I will fit into this item. But if it's a year later and you still haven't gotten that skinny and you don't fit into that item, then just get rid of it. And if you haven't worn it in like over a year, then just get rid of it. And if it doesn't spark joy, then just get rid of it. After I was done going through all of my clothes and shoes, next I wanted to declutter and organize this table that I have in the entryway. So I just pulled out some of the drawers and started going through them. These drawers are stuffed with so many random things, and my goal is that I want to keep all of my pictures in this big drawer, and then all of the other drawers I want to store all of my extra home decor. So I just started going through those drawers, and when you're going through drawers in a dresser, just take them out either one at a time or just 2 or 3 at a time to not overwhelm yourself. And I got caught up looking at old photos. This is a group photo from the Christian camp that me and my husband went to when we were engaged. And here is a group photo of the symphony that I was in during high school, and there I am. I was second chair in the cello section. I was pretty excited about that. So I took a break from decluttering to post a few items on this app, and first of course you have to make an account, and it's really easy to do that. You just put in your email, make a password, and then you have an account. And under my coupons it said that I had a $5 off $25 or more coupon, so that was pretty awesome. You might have that too when you sign up for the first time. So it's pretty easy to post an item. They have a camera right on there that you just click to add pictures. And so I started taking pictures of some of the items that I wanted to sell, and I'm just realizing as I'm doing this voiceover that I totally forgot to add in the clip of me going through all of the shirts in my closet. But oh well, you guys saw enough of me going through the clothes in my closet, so I guess it doesn't matter. But once you take the pictures of the items, then you can select like the size. It's really easy. You just type in a description, select a category, and when I take pictures of the items, I usually like to take a picture of the front, the back, and then I take a picture of the tag just so that people know the for sure size. Like sometimes you can accidentally enter in the wrong size, but if you take a picture of the tag, then people will know exactly what size it is. So the next area that I wanted to declutter was this hall closet, and this hall closet just always seems to get a mess no matter how often I go through it all. That top shelf up there is all Christmas stuff just packed in on that shelf, so I'm just not going to touch that until Christmas time. But then the rest of the shelves, I have some home decor stored there, and then like craft stuff, and all of that stuff is supposed to be in those different color bins, but it's just like stacked everywhere on top. But the goal, like I said, is to store a bunch of this home decor into that table in the entryway, and now that I've cleared that out, I have a lot more room, so I should be able to store the home decor that I want to keep into that table. When I'm organizing and decluttering a closet, I like to go shelf by shelf. So after I had cleared out and organized those first two shelves, then I moved on to these bottom two shelves. After I was done going through that closet, I wanted to post 2 more items to the app, these truck floor mats that are brand new, still in the packaging, and then also this pink baby carrier that's brand new, still in the packaging. And it's super easy to go and select your category here on the app as I'm showing you. And this baby carrier is brand new, and I'm going to post it for a really good deal. If you guys want it, you can go and check it out. Like I said, I'm going to have the link down in the description box for the app, so you can go and download it and go and find what I have for sale. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed organizing and decluttering with me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
No, 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 no!